Hi. So it is day 59 at the campground, and I wanted to talk about Shein. So I get all my clothes from Shein, all my shirts and sweaters from Shein, and bags. Um, Anything from Shein. I'm gonna say hair ties, but I get those from the dollar store. And I want to show you like some of my Shein shirts because they got a lot of cute stuff now. And so I averaged them, and the average total for one shirt is, I would say, about $6.50 from an average, if you average all the different costs, and with using the coupon for 25% off. And average cost for the sweater is $8. And I got the best, the cutest stuff. This one says make your own. They've got like so many cute designs and ideas. Maybe you've seen this one. So I'm in love with Shein. And sometimes I just like to take pictures, so we'll put it on the tripod and just start rolling it off and see if that one is. And you want to look nice, which can be done with Shein. Cheaply, better than ever today. Better than ever before. And yes, all these shirts averaged between, I know it was less than 7, so because I averaged it, all these shirts average less than $7. That's cute though, isn't it? The plane. I love them all. I never wash my clothes, so that's what keeps them nice. And this is my personal, it was my favorite pick, but you know what? I like them all. Isn't that interesting? And wearing it with a cute black and white hat is just looks so nice. This one has a texture, 2 textures here, fuzzy and sequins. So I just wanted to show you my outfit selection. And then if it gets ruined, I guess it's not such a big deal when it is that cheap, but some of these are so cute. How is that? Nails. And then this cute music notes one. I just got a compliment on it too. Okay. With a cute little black and white hat. It is just so adorable. And black pants. Look at my back pants. I got my jeans and my pants from Old Navy for $12 each. That's what I found now. Okay. Another day at the campground. Love you. Bye.